We, H.N.T, made up for weak points of the existing PBD soft ground improving method and pile foundation method. We are engaged in design and construction of solidified soil combined foundation, a patent method for structural foundation and more excellent soft ground improving method from the aspect of constructability, economy, and construction period shortening. Solidified soil combined footing method is a new technology method registered as a patent that can solve three major problems of soft ground: lack of bearing power, subsidence, lateral flow, and simultaneously the other problems such as liquidizing, difficulty to compact, etc. Generally used PBD soft ground improving method requires excessive construction period and is difficult to procure a massive amount of fill materials from the outside, while pile foundation method has the problems such as civil complaints related with vibration and noises, requirement of large type equipment access road, damage to pile joint area, and consequent differential subsidence, insufficient management of construction, etc. Solidified soil combined footing method that solves these problems has an excellent effect in suppressing subsidence or ground deformation because it substitutes soft ground with a strong solidified soil mat foundation, having high strength, high density, and high elasticity, and absorbs diffuses surface load, traffic and vibrational load, and thereby sharply reduces in situ stress and increases bearing power. Especially in case of underground wall construction method that is excellent in sharp decrease of soil pressure and in situ stress and underground water interception effect as well. It exerts a proper functions of preventing lateral flow and differential subsidence of soft ground, owing to its function of increasing driving depth and raft foundation. Following is the construction order for solidified soil combined footing method. First of all, excavate the foundation ground and then mix and stir in situ soil with solidifying agent according to the mixing ratio based on the design load in order to produce solidified soil, with which then finally install the underground wall through the processes of transportation, laying, and compaction. After constructing the solidified soil mat foundation by laying, compacting, and curing the solidified soil again on the completed underground wall, perform the in situ load test to confirm the stability of solidified soil ground against the design load. Then, construct top base foundation that sharply reduces the applied load by 50% or more, depending on the type of structure. In result, the design load applied from the top side will be diffused and sharply reduced by layers in a top base foundation and the solidified soil mat foundation, and finally removes the cause of subsidence by getting rid of soil pressure severance, sharp reduction of in situ stress, and residual stress by the underground wall in the form of lattice. When necessary, install soil pressure gauge or settlement plate at the bottom of improved solidified soil foundation ground to continuously check the stability together with maintenance and management through such measurement activity. In case of the solidified soil combined footing method performed as such, it enables to check subsidence and displacement stability through finite element analysis program implemented from the design stage, and thereby shows that the subsidence and displacement in the zone where solidified soil is not installed hugely exceeds the allowance, while the ground where solidified soil combined foundation is installed shows quite low level of subsidence and displacement within the allowance, and therefore the construction can be performed after the stability against subsidence and lateral flow is secured in advance. H.N.T solidified soil combined footing method is a shallow foundation method that has advantages such as shallow construction depth within 5 meters, short construction period within 1 to 2 weeks, prior confirmation of stability through in situ load test, etc., and therefore can meet the required design strength same as the pile foundation method, and simultaneously has an excellent effect of shortening the construction period to 1/5, 20%, and saving the construction cost to approximately 30%. Especially in Malaysia and Vietnam, we acquired an international patent for this method. Since then, this method is introduced as a representative new technology construction method for soft ground treatment construction method, resulting in the creation of a genuine value engineering.